Crispy outside, tender bursts of octopus inside. Fragrant green onions and a hint of spice. Every bite makes you want more. No special mix needed. Just a few simple ingredients. Ready in minutes, right at home. Perfect with a cold drink. Like bringing a Korean street market to your table. Let's make it together.